Dear viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, testing process of identification of cable fault and pinpointing of fault location will be shown step by step by using surge generator and time domain reflectometer. Please watch. In this testing process, we shall first identify the faulty conductor phase of the cable. Then we shall prelocate the fault distance, and third, we pinpoint the actual fault point of the cable. After pinpointing the fault, repair team will dig earth and rectify the fault. The main equipment are used to locate the fault point. Surge generator, Surgeon 32. Time domain reflectometer TDR, pinpointing device like Digi point are made of techno instrumentation. Connections of all the said instrument are shown here. Introduction of surge generator, Surgeon 32. The process of identification of faulty phase of the under test cable. Discharge faulty under test cable by discharge rod. Disconnect all connections from both ends of the cable. Earth the surge generator with local earthing. Connect the edge leads of the surge generator with any phase conductor of the underground cable properly. Connect power plug with 230 volt AC mains. Switch on the MMCB. Green light will lit. Keep the voltage selector switch VSS at 18 kV as our under test cable is 11 kV. Keep the capacitor selector switch CSS at DC. Keep the off on switch key at DC burn oblique decay position. Enable the HT by turning the variac knob in anti-clockwise direction and hear a sound of making contact. The red lamp will glow. Then turn clockwise direction slowly to increase voltage in voltmeter. Voltmeter will indicate gradual increase of voltage with the turning of variac knob in clockwise direction up to 10 to 11 kV. But no deflection of ammeter is seen. That means no leakage current flows through the conductor. Keep and hold the situation for a few seconds and don't increase the voltage further unnecessarily. The phase conductor is not faulty as no leakage current is seen to flow during this high pot test. Turn variac knob in anti-clockwise direction to down the voltage and then switch off the key. The cable conductors will be automatically discharged by surge generator itself. Connect HV leads of the surge generator to any one other phase conductor of underground cable properly. Keep the voltage selector switch VSS unchanged. Keep the capacitor selector switch CSS unchanged also. Keep off on key at DC burn or decay position. Enable the instrument by turning the variac knob anti-clockwise direction, and hear a sound of making contact. The red lamp will glow. Then turn clockwise direction slowly to increase voltage. Watch reading of voltmeter. With the turning of variac knob toward clockwise direction, the voltage needle indicates low, say 5 kV nearly, but ammeter shows high current, means high leakage current. This indicates the phase conductor has involved with high resistive fault. Keep and hold the situation without increasing voltage further for a few seconds till the burning will start. After few seconds, burning down of conductor at fault point will be completed. Voltmeter reading will show 0, but ammeter shows high, which means the phase conductor is faulty. Touches with earth body. Burning converts high resistive fault to low resistive fault. Click the icon. ICM method will be applied to relocate the fault. Click at ICM. Start menu will appear. Set range by putting 3 to 4 times of cable length here 1 kilometer. Click VOP, velocity of propagation, from cable library of the under test cable. Here we shall test 11 kV HT cable whose VOP is 82. We get it by default. Appropriate VOP can be selected according to cable under test. Click Add Cable. Keep VSS at 8 kV as our under test cable is 11 kV. Keep CSS at 8 kV also. Mind it, the instrument is already at power on condition. Keep off on at surge mode. Enable the instrument by turning the variac knob in anti-clockwise direction, and hear a sound of making contact. Red lamp will glow. Then turn variac knob in clockwise direction slowly to increase voltage and Keep the position same finally. Click Start menu at TDR for short waiting mode. Keep auto manual switch at manual position. Press Start push button once to produce high voltage thumping. Now click left cursor first. Click left and right cursor etc. to frame a correct cycle of the impedance graph and get an approximate fault distance. Auto surging mode can also be used for continuous surging by setting the switch at desirable interval like after 3 seconds, 5 seconds, etc. Keep the knob at 5 seconds. Set the surging knob at 5 seconds. Thumping will be started immediately and will continue after an interval of 5 seconds. Searching screws have to follow the thumping sound along the route of the cable up to pre-located distance along with shock wave receiver to pinpoint the fault. Press the thumping start push button. Continuous surging will be started immediately with an interval of 5 seconds after the pressing of the push button. The working personnel have to walk along the route of the cable, hearing the thumping sound by using special microphone and watching magnetic and acoustic signals through shock wave receiver like DigiPoint. It was a little endeavor to present the testing process. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Do like, share and comment on it. Thanks.